Establish a minimum ventilation rate from day 1 to provide fresh air and remove waste gases and help maintain temperature and relative humidity at the correct level. Establish a minimum ventilation rate from day 1 to provide fresh air and remove waste gases and help maintain temperature and relative humidity at the correct level. Avoid drafts. Use the check behavior and check vent temperatures to determine if the environmental conditions are correct. Use check behavior and check vent temperature to determine if the environmental monitor the check behavior, environmental condition correct, no action required. Check are evenly spread and noise level signifies containment. If environmental conditions are too cold, increase temperature. The action you need to do: increase temperature and or relative humidity. If there is huddling, checks crowd to brooder, spot brooding, or huddle together. Whole house brooding are noisy, distress calling. If the environmental conditions are too obscure and or relative humidity, the action you need to do: decrease temperature or increase temperature and or relative humidity. Check are crowded near the house wall. If near the house wall or brood, surrounded away from heating, from the heating sources, or they